Here's another reason you may want to start using Microsoft's Edge browser as your default browser. Let's talk about URLs. A URL is the address of a web page, and URL stands for Universal Resource Locator. We all use URLs. We need them, but there's a difference in how the URL is displayed. As you can see in this example, the standard URL is the whole web address. This happens to be a fairly simple one. Many of them take up lots of room. There are shortening services like Bitly that can help make this link or URL shorter, but it's still pretty convoluted. In Edge, by making a simple change, you can display that link or URL in a more user-friendly way. You certainly have to admit that this URL is a lot nicer than either of these two. Let me show you how to set it up so that you can do this on your own. Start by going to the three-dot menu, top right in your browser. Select it. When that pull-down menu comes up, go down to Settings, and once this comes up, the next thing you want to select is Share, Copy, and Paste. By default, this is what's selected, plain text. So when you copy a URL, what you copy is what you paste. The other function in here is link. So if you select this instead of plain text, from now on, when you copy this link, it will make it more understandable. As in our example here, this address became Tech for Senior Facebook. Let me see if I can demonstrate this for you. As you see, I've made the change. So we are now using the URL copy and paste format by default. So when I select this and do a copy, easiest way is to use the shortcut keys of Control and C. Now, if I'm sending you an email and I want to paste that address in here, I just use the shortcut key of Control and V. And it's a nice, clean looking link. You can see if I hover my mouse over it, it shows you where that link takes you. If you want to allow the user to actually see what the actual link is, you can post that by simply using the shortcut key of Control, Shift, and V. And then you get the full address of where this user-friendly link takes you. You have to admit that this is a lot more pleasing to the eye than the full URL. Give it a try. You might like using this new way of sending a URL or a link to your friends. This user-friendly link or URL creator is only available in Edge. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps.